Okay, again, continued ratio and proportions. Let's look at an example if we had a liquid, okay? Because it's slightly different. So looking at this example, it says the order requires 250 milligrams per 5 mLs. But in stock, we only have 125 over 5 mLs. The reason why this is slightly different is because when you have a liquid, the milligrams are delivered via a liquid. So we like to call the liquid a vehicle. It's kind of delivering the actual milligrams, okay? So usually we do things in 5 mLs. 5 mLs might seem familiar, right? What's 5 mLs? A teaspoon. So in order for us to send patients home and help them understand how to take their medication, we usually do things in teaspoons and tablespoons most of the time. We want to try to make it easy for the general public. So usually almost all drugs come 250 over 5, or sometimes it's like 250 per 1 ml, but it's different because a tablet is 1 pill. A liquid, in order to achieve a certain amount, you have to pour out a certain amount of mLs, okay? So let's just set up the ratio so we can make it make sense. What we have, again, goes on the left-hand side. According to this, it says in stock we have 125 over 5. So the 125 milligrams goes here. The 5 mLs goes on the bottom. Okay, what we need, it says the order requires 250 milligrams. So we're trying to determine how many mLs could be, like how many mLs of this, scratch that, sorry. How many mLs of 125 can we put to get us to 250? Okay, again, simple, cross multiply and divide. 250 multiplied by 5 divided by 125. Divided by 125. So this says 10 mLs, which makes sense. In order for me to be able to give my patient 250 milligrams, I would have to pour out 10 mLs of drug. Remember, a tablet is an entity. If I put 1 tablet in my hand, it's 1 tablet and it's worth whatever we say it's worth. With a liquid, you have to pour out a certain amount to be able to get to the amount of milligrams that you're trying to achieve. And they're going to let you know how many milligrams are available per however many mLs. In this instance, for every 5 mLs, you will be able to receive 125 milligrams. So if we wanted to get to 250, we would have to cross multiply and divide, and it's 10. It's basically double, as you can see. 125, and you want 250. You got to multiply by 2. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do over here. 250 over 10. Pretty simple.